Simple. Asantekotoko. Asantekotoko. Last 2 games in the league. Omolusu. Pando.
Okay.
And Omolusu to heartsofoak last week. So simple. Kwakoye match beer. Asantekotoko can't afford say or bought 3 matches. No one has 0 points.
Yeah.
I don't think say every Kotoko supporter ever accepted that fact. Say Kotoko bought 3 matches out of 9 points. Now Kotoko was 0 points. But simple, my bakwa we interview no someone no work no. We hear young apostles so simple we match we are against Asante Kotoko or Cup Brekum Chelsea. And over table no so simple Brekum Chelsea were 26 points. Young apostles were 26 points. And Brekum Chelsea you know no match that Brekum Chelsea anymore china. Or Brekum Chelsea ball against Accra heartsofoak. And one has our best Asante Kotoko when you some spirit be free say league no crabia wait to compete. So in case simple Brekum Chelsea traveling to Accra tomorrow Okoba has will go. So Brekum Chelsea could lose against heartsofoak will go now. It's going to be very very difficult because Brekum Chelsea we are trying young apostles will fear. And young apostles no is Chelsea for some way you know we now with the same points.
Sure.
26. That's the Kotoko say will be a when chi. That means also a Brekum got just points never. Sure. It's a very difficult task.
Chelsea is in the Ukraine.
Chelsea now your money 26. Omo the 40, omo 26. Young apostles at the 16, omo 26 points. So it tells you the magnitude of that match. And see with the front guide. Okay, the last 5 games for Asante Kotoko are picking 5 points out of 15.
Too bad.
Simple by your apostles so omo last 5 games almost picking 5 points out of 15. It's a book of front guide I pay. Just say in previous matches Kotoko more points and I so saying young apostle but on the last 5 matches all they know now Kotoko are picking 5 points. Okay. Young apostles are picking 5 points. So a more match you know
there's a man who they pay.
But on match simple a man very difficult task for coach Prince Yawusu. Most I want focus say both season now man we no credit. It's never true.
So we season.
So Kotoko what season you based on results.
So I'm going to when chia.
Yeah, sometimes me radio near the commentaries near there. Then people will say, oh, they're doing the both season every simple. Me say Monday. So coach Prince Yawusu.
Yeah.
So you saw a match now. By Monday Kotoko also move a new coach. What can I say,
so coach Prince Yawusu Kulusu when chia. Monday Kotoko mfe new coach.
I IMC will be forced to take a new coach. Kotoko and has
coach Prince is a supporters na kuranya dancer. Omumpe.
And you be na yada no. So why will you hate then I will be a coach? Why will you hate him?
So supporters need your most stance clear. Omu kotuna na pin clear say coach idi omumpe no before has game.
Na so nyam so coach Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
And
you can say omdika.
Oh, simple. I didn't know how. Yes, what the wada. He no level no so coach Kotoko.
Okay.
And simple ubenya Kotoko will need to appoint a coach. No what time we know their study team, you know, the weakness and strength of the team.
Okay.
Then we know how to recruit. But some will find a new coach next season now. He will tell you he will need time. He will need time. And so we say Ochana at Wenchi Sports Stadium.
Yeah.
So Kotoko lose. So by Monday, another meeting we're going to Prince Yawusu Omujana Kwai. Because the supporters can't take it. And sometimes as IMC and I say as a beer. So when you are heading a big club like Kotoko, who is a deal drama by the next 3-4 games. Maybe the man lose at 3 matches now is over Hazard. So the patience for supporters to wait in big clubs. It's not there.
Yeah.
Hey, Opa, Opa Kuchi Karela, Opa Kuchi Vision, but draw lose. So I made the next 5 matches. So pressure be nobody cares. But asantekotoko dey that is it to call.
Reverend Peter Mary Smith say na okobo draw en chinsu e.
Obo draw. Say we ade be save na ebi a Juada. Wait me aba na wada na ho adwojo ne kakra. Say all winning match na ochena.
Oh, okay.
Because so without that Monday and I have for meeting in Yanjayo. Simple. Somebody go winning the Yamaya. Simple. We are IMC chairman. You can't sleep. Monday was a meeting. You say should they lose against young apostles. So simple made a match back.
Okay.
It's going to be difficult for Kotoko. But when the young apostles in Bekaya, Pierre in Bekaya.
Yeah.
Simple. It's a difficult one because you also know that I see on also move.
Okay.
It's a difficult task. So my remember Vision FC.
And normally beat him.
Eddie beat him. A match as simple as Vision for share. Because Vision was 27 points.
Oh, okay.
Vision for match we are simple. Oba Kumasa Oba asantekotoko. So it's a match simple. A Mustwin for Vision FC.
Oh, okay.
Because the Vision and Sha simple. It tells you. The mom say almost with Frasil. Because so we lose and also board against Between United. So when you come as now, Kotoko near Brepa.
Sure.
In the match they must win today. So we have to come baby against Heart of Lions.
Okay. That's Pando.
Yeah, Pando. You say baby any simple battle bonus baby any. So far so that second.
Okay. On
the league table more 39 points. Mediama 44 points.
Yeah.
But the main Mediama they did baby any 5 points. And Pando simple apart from so almost Kotoko no. We lost them years.
Yeah.
Oko Pando.
I think we will be from baby any say almost league no say almost beat me aje.
That's all almost yeah. Almost simple. Baby any league me and simple have baby any almost travel to a friend say Pando. So like say baby any bet back 3 points every Pando. So say baby any 3 points now. Simple it tells you baby any can win this league. Into a man I have a keen interest because Pando simple. Pando last bare 15 matches. Simple Pando have winning 1 pet. Yeah, we win 2. Sorry, we win 2 against asantekotoko and 11 wonders.
Okay.
That kind of simple. You lose. And about draw me and so and the last 15 matches. So it's not going well for Pando. Okay. So by being able to points now are simple. And the baby never say 42 points.
Okay.
42 points. So in case media are simple, say media could lose say we are close to gap, no. I'm not back at just 2 points.
Okay.
So baby can win this league. Say we summer boy. Referee going to be the match, no follow me. Summer boy, my referee some be this match.
Summer text
media man. My referee no. Match I no better shape because simple summer test is yet to lose at home. League na ebo no say oka teams are simple omonya elusu ofia. Simple summer test one of them. And oko home table na. Simple summer test is doing very well. Or winning 8 matches will feel about
referee Nathan Anafo and the Kwakudi.
Referee Nathan Anafo.
Yeah.
And a lot will be on this referee tomorrow.
Okay.
Summer boy. Because a man wakwa. So maybe a man himself or more title aspiration it does how much we.
Okay.
So many have to avoid the pressure and be to us na. Yeah, that's na weekend the pressure na so pa. Start pressure no. So many have to avoid the simple. They can't afford to lose this match.
Okay.
And simple summer test. So I swear heaven and say on Bessie. We don't have to some of the Abresano. I will say Africa, you and Momo year from
Omuni, I must say.
I know we are the Western.
Omu Hodie. And then I brought my kind. I was Western because we are so.
And I'm empty. I want some of the so I say, Papa, you have one because no free say, I come over there, you and Momo for league, you know. Like I share 5 free cup. But one. Nature 1-1. But over there, about home.
We don't say,
why you have more free cup?
Okay.
This is a trophyless. Into a challenge, simple. Summer test. I swear, simple. Most of us say the rulers of Ghana's medium much. And simple. Summer test is yet to lose at home. One ball. So for one ball, 11 matches will fee. I'm omo win 8 na omo draw 3 omo lose here. So it tells you that match no cha medium one medium best e be draw.
Okay, medium ya de kra.
It's going to be hard for medium so like Samates all. So my league no simple ochina no very open. So ochina has ni bekum Chelsea. So has we know ochina na be any goals as we win here. Simple. That's a medium draw cra be 3 points.
Oh, okay.
So it tells you simple league no ochina no Monday simple. If a point I be 2 points. I don't see medium as we win ochina.
Okay.
Because medium last 2 games simple I pick just a point. 1 point out of 6. I pick a point means medium form no I drop it akra.
Okay.
So what's either coach Ibrahim Tanko also online.
Coach Ibrahim Tanko say we nim Samates team no or no share 2 this season. Salim so the to so say we nim Samates team ni pa.
Say points no be can be 2 points fire be Ibrahim Tanko so no so how on be sack because Maurice Faka be so league way.
Yeah.
Me no come amedie no.
Sure.
Maurice Amapa ka be so league na simple. Just about 4 matches ago. Now, most churches are teams with 8 points.
Yeah.
Now, simple. What to me, extra how my teams need to 1 2 3 points means you are losing the top spot.
Yeah.
So it tells you what match. Simple. What match no more than power.
Sure.
And your match close to that normal league, you know. It just happened because simple say hard with the medium 2 points and not 3 points. Baby, I need the defending league champions. Don't forget.
Sure.
Baby, I need league away. We need defending league champions.
Yeah.
We talk about league. Yeah, it's possible.
Okay.
So it's a word to the wise. Medium. Ochina also okoye dey unbeatable also okoye Samates or honom simple dey me we no has ne bekum Chelsea one edi match no.
Okay, who kwa Brankese
me nyanko Brankese.
Okay,
e be say me who referees no dey tell me say simple some matches no baby any blackstars heart of lions referees mediama Samates referees and heartsofoak bekum Chelsea ochina referee simple Monday
heartsofoak dey here Jacob Aduntra on a bit.
That's what I'm making. Yeah, here on Monday, one of those matches, I be referee
officiating
because say the referees no be play key role. I was at the match, baby any Pandu out of lions. Heartsofoak bekum Chelsea.
Okay.
Then mediama Samates. It's a match is simple. Referees now could do simple. We must speak for fair officiating.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you see Monday, I be trying to go be. Now I flagging the offside.
Yeah.
Now for team I know what is going to happen this weekend. That's why I'm emphasizing on it. So referees this weekend, start 3 matches. Simple, watch out. What I say.
Okay.
Member nations. Say member nations.
Member nations for so super.
Simple nations FC. I'm on the 5th on the league table. But simple, Abrankese against Dreams FC.
Yeah.
Who's Dreams FC? League almost on the year.
Yeah, Dreams in the
say Oko league table no so Dreams FC simple almost so that 13th on the league table almost 26 points.
Okay.
And some said they can be relegated.
Oh yes.
Dreams FC last match against Karela they see Dreams FC in for any and you cry
so Karela ko share
and the Dreams FC ba Brankese say on pick points but simple Nations FC say on that so now I'm 11 from the league table. They have 27 points. But simple, Nations FC is safe. Nations FC is safe. So it's a match as simple. A battle for survival. And only 2 friends. Simple. I'm not finding more the pa. Dreams FC Nations.
Okay.
More the pa. Into a channel. A match wakwa. Nations FC simple. Right at the column.
Okay.
Right at the simple. No matter that. And Dreams FC. Coming to Nations, so we're going to lose home against Karela. Simple. And our match is very, very crucial.
Okay.
For the 2 sides. But some match is simple. I see so possibly. Possibly. A very slim win for Nations FC. But Dreams FC, it be why I deal with a draw. What I say. But so don't be surprised. So what's you man no simple. You man no beat my goals. So as a match no. Because they only go okay no say or 9 goals. A certain Samate me. And what time who time you man no. Simple my goals. Why you go? My goals. Who time I be 2 goals or time. Match no so ended dry am one. Nations FC
Dreams
draw. And then
draw them Nations so.
but I know why I'm saying that. So league oh there as I'm making. I hear you want another my goals, but Nation FC Dreams FC. Say draw some one, but I think Nation FC say Omufi or at least also to me win, but I draw some point one.
Okay, manager, that's the president. Young Queen me Ghana Premier League match day 23.
Yes, I represent the national team. Yes, I not cost me effective. Opa check it.
I sample so oh yes striker.
That cost no effective. That was never on normal.
Oh striker. Now in the final third all the time no. Who do watching people my head in so be go.
Yeah.
And my other strikers in the broke room born never most of them were the chi
into a dinner ama a pool. That is only born man. As was sad man.
What I say? Opa, I saw make on share
by the superintendent
position.
Oh, they are not per land video.
Yeah, when me
first neighbor. Baby, a favor is an amico. And Kotoko.
Tell me what about but no place, no partner.
I was born Ebana Halan. I didn't grant a defender also. Uti, no Hodu. Olivia, one located me first. One Mahalan, you will one. Ultimately, the man, not was I shall not wish on being upon it. But I say, no, strike carried in the Chibaman. Oh, the more now through a sign, a piano number, make food. Whatever you put on go. No, and I'm one, Jais or sad body chorus, Yaku pull out the defenders last cycle.
So, movement
is very important. And in the position, I have so, strike a movement and that will be because the creativity na ya can. You just strike us into movement. Because the emphasis has to Paku.
Yeah.
Well, I know for science sensitive passes no. Baba ya I know. It took a rich walamti. Baba ya. Na she deze mukwala bona no money Kotoko for him. We go and check. Deze mukwala ya strike na. When you be a Jafa ko movie. Eti ko bo bia what the man mukwala against has. Rich walamti.
Yes, I pass.
What you born na mukwala. Mukwala we make you to say na has defender and person place it on simple. But hey, we obey na no okay. If you don't take it, strike a big jam at the bona kusa.
We on call no my who's me person bubu bidin. But me question my am hwe say na manyanti. Sometimes me ba we can play be once more. Sometimes I make a conclusion away because your play be on one no come defender no. Defender is on no aside no apart from defender no. But striker dey simple. Upo is not what it is rado. Infantry bo.
Yeah.
Otetaw I saw crack or the town or the not the I saw home pit. Partner our pin was so. But when the rose of the Waku said, now where that should go?
Don't command the enemy.
They won't to me. Or send the cheap problem as I go.
Because I defend you come my defenders no. All department are Jahano. Defenders a warm one aggressive type.
Sure.
You have seen defenders a one aggressive type wa. Would you be proud? What I say? One more born to do an also. Oh, you leave your the for the liberal foreign notion, supers in the dozen. What I say, supers will be a lot of supers are if you don't take care of back or back all out. It is a corner for the whole command, the woman feel you. Chini, woman feel. I was a striker, either say, who position Elma made for an option, I'm on the bonus show. And as a way a striker, Kwabana, one answer your Juma, 1v1 when you see me with Majana Command Yakuba. And you just spaces, you know. It is a ball in the middle. No one could tell you oh man option. Wolf far as Betty, no Wabafa. But it's only as big now, as you been watching the book to be a fabon through. Yeah, as you been watching the book with Miss Prentice, I'm a fabon through winning. Nankabas walk on. It's a book on the years. I was a move Bellu Boris and sure. Bellu born because mid first and what's or spaces in fabos in the day. And she said, these are
okay. Very much.
Okay,
very much. Now, a bear cocoa. You know, be a judge the message about.